Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of our Telegram group AI Assistant chatbot series. In the previous video, we built the chat functionality. For this video, we'll be adding image generation capabilities to our bot. Let's dive right in. To accommodate the new image generation functionality, I've refactored the initial chat history into a variable called initial group history. This allows us to reuse this context for multiple chat instances. Now, both the text chat and new image chat instances use this same initial history. The image chat uses a different model designed for image generation and is configured to respond both text and images. This code creates a new chat instance specifically for image generation. It uses the Gemini 2.0 Flash Preview image generation model. It's also configured to use the initial group history and allows the bot to respond with both text and images. Now, let's add a specific command to trigger the image generation feature. We'll set up the bot to listen for a particular command, like /image, followed by the user's description of the image they want to generate. When this command is detected, the bot will use the image chat instance we created to generate the image and send it back to the group. This code defines the handler for the /image command. It extracts the text following the command as the prompt. Then it sends this prompt to the image chat instance for image generation. After receiving the response, it checks for different types of content. If it's text, it sends it as a reply. If it's image data, it decodes it and sends it as a photo, including a caption with the original prompt. Now, let's test our bot to see the image generation in action. We'll try sending this /image command with a prompt and check if the bot correctly generates and sends back an image based on our request. As you can see, the bot first sent a description of the image, and then it generated the image itself. And that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll be adding chat session management to isolate multiple groups, especially useful if you manage multiple Telegram groups. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.